Hospitality go prison, come back. Una say me no talk. In lawyer they tell am say no. Part of the law. I die.
I don't survive ground zero. What can you do to me? Next.
Wait. That's why they say who to fear pass. Now who don't survive ground zero. Very dark man. Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, daddy. Ushbebe in the building. Kendo, you know there? Lifestyle. Kendo, hold on. Look your husband, belly. Look my own. Who they grace? And they say get money when I don't they get belly. Yeah, daddy. Kendo, wait. See, if you know that song, for those of you that lived in Miami early 45, you understand that that's my man Biggie. Are you there? Give me that jam again one time, motherfucker. Wait. This man they say, which Igbo man be Biggie? Biggie, notorious P.I.G. That I want, but see. Okay, Odogu Fuye. Obi Kumana there. And he get away the hole with this thing this night. Now December 14 go ask. You know say for once Odogu Peter I just want to confuse my joke. I won't give una some gangster shit, but I go still give una. Now when I know say today, what it be name? Acme. Baby oil is out. Burna don't die. This guy don't release him this song. Drop that Acme new song. Baby oil. Wait. For the first time, you never go prison, you go sabi sing. Hello? Acme don't sing now. In lyrics, they come out correctly. Barrister Pelumi, you dey part of people who release hospitality. Because lawyers will now walk this period in and out of prison. In and out of different. See, hospitality go prison, come back. Una say me no talk. In lawyer they tell am say no. Part of the law. I die. Drop the song. Listen, they hear. Now this one they call beef song. Beef. Normally for Yankee as you shake and for shoot you. Normally, now what is supposed to happen now? Drop them.
EFCC they give bed, DSS they give food. I don't survive ground zero. What can you do to me? Next.
Wait. That's why they say who to fear pass. Now who don't survive ground zero. Very dark man. Hello. Anybody where don't go grand, there's nothing to. That's why you cannot fight with everybody. Some of una married women, una go to quarrel with una husband. Your husband already told say go be a share what he die. Leave her. That's what he wants to do. Leave him. The way they have living legend, you have living prostitute. Hello. I'm telling you. And Abuja people will not even they try. Because there are so many things. See now when I come show with all the problem in Port Harcourt and beggars and land. They don't give you 3 months to build. If you don't build on that land, I want see money. How do you give people 3 months to build? Uncompleted building, where we say that people take the chop for Abuja. Agent don't carry you go uncompleted building for Abuja. In 3 weeks, we are done. You call the shock, say they never pull louvers, they never say, I said 3 weeks. Just pay. Wait till they tell the also. Now they say, wait. And people there they say, I see somebody like, you say, he there. Ooh. Wicked there. And the best na governor be minister. Now the best governor minister. Who there? Olonwa, but who there? Why when you go we can call you no get work? I go call small picking show where would they play that concourse. We can there, we can no day jobless, God forbid.
Minister, we never finish to fight with land grabbers and beggars. We can't follow and sit down for show. They do skywise, 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 skywise. We can way wise. Hello. We get yesterday. Yesterday in South Africa. Which one be yesterday? Now, Lord, big shout out to Sheyi Vodi. Clap for my chair there. That's my chairman there. Sheyi Vodi. All these Abuja big men. You know, so what made me even really like Abuja? Because to some extent, people come to think whether I don't start to stay for Abuja. Nothing there here on only promises. If they promise you for this Abuja. Skywise, you know, I tell you, say, I bet maybe you find 2 motor for me. Now, one man promised me, I don't call you. I said, give me 2 cars. Where are balance? Now, tell me this. Hey, no wonder. Who wanna be? Where do you wanna? You wanna be friends? No money don't come up from here. The country hard. For una to even pack money condition, wanna clap for ourselves. No, don't clap. Clap. It's not easy. Skywise, I hear how much you give Papi. Now you confuse Papi. Now you don't know whether na fashion show you want to do. Papi hold cigar for back, they contemplate. Baba man smoker. I say no smoker na your brand. Hello. Papi hold cigar. But when I see Papi swag, showbiz, you will do anything. See your long billionaire wife, they control people for back. She nearly stopped tailoring today. Hello. You know what it means to control model? Why you just coming? Voice don't go. But see, when you say your husband say they make money, it's hard. That's why when your husband call, you see kiss for his shirt, leave him. Now enemies, hello. Enemies. Good night, my name is Ushbebe.
Ladies and gentlemen, DJ, bring it down. I don't know if you like what I'm wearing, but big shout out to Sheyi Vodi. This is Gaza by Vodi. Please clap for my godfather, Sheyi Vodi. I finally rock my Gaza shit. Yee! The first outfit was given to me by my mother, Megalois Boutique. Megalois, where you at? Is she here? Megalois. Second outfit, El Cheddar. They were the ones that run the runway last year. And this one is by my godfather, Gaza. There's something about this Gaza. You know, say, normally, I know say I get pride. But when you wear this clothes, you realize say you get pride. Let's see the clothes as it swell up. This is Gaza by Vodi. Can you people say Gaza by Vodi?
Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.